How to fix Rainbow Six Extraction FPS drops issue. 1. Disable full screen optimization in R6 extraction.exe properties. Like this. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Make sure your system is up to date. 4. Turn on Windows. High performance mode. 5. Lower in-game. Graphics related settings accordingly. Note: ensure your system meets the minimum requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. Hints: 5. Point 1 runs your monitor at 144 Hz. 5.2 enable G-Sync/FreeSync. 5.3 change graphic card settings. 5.3.1 NVIDIA players, try these options. Image sharpening, off. Anisotropic filtering, off. Anti-aliasing FXAA, off. Anti-aliasing gamma correction, on. Anti-aliasing mode, off. Anti-aliasing setting, none. CUDA GPUs, all. Anti-aliasing transparency, off. Low latency mode, ultra. Max frame rate, off. Monitor technology, depends on your monitor multi-frame sample day, off. OpenGL rendering, select your graphics card power management mode, maximum. Preferred refresh rate, highest available. Shader cache, on. Texture filtering, anisotropic sample optimization, ASO, on. Negative lot bias, allow. Texture filtering quality, high trilinear optimization, on. Threaded optimization, on. Triple buffering, off. Vertical sync, off. Virtual reality pre-rendering frame, use global setting. 5.3.2 AMD Radeon settings, Radeon anti-lag, enable Radeon chill, disable Radeon boost, disable. Radeon image sharpening, enabled, 80%. Vertical refresh, off. Advanced AMD settings anti-aliasing, use application settings. Anti-aliasing method, multi-sampling. Morphological anti-aliasing, disable anisotropic filtering, disable texture filtering, quality performance surface format optimization, enable tessellation mode, override maximum tessellation level, disable OpenGL triple buffering, disable reset shader cache, yes display settings Radeon FreeSync, off. Virtual super resolution, disabled. GPU scaling, disabled. Scaling mode, full panel. Very bright, personal preference. 5.4 Try using these in-game settings. General settings, ping, on. Display game info, on. Audio settings, voice chat record mode, push to talk. Voice chat level, not 0. Display settings, monitor, choose your main monitor. Resolution, native or 1920 x 1080. Display mode, full screen. Refresh rate, same as your monitor's refresh rate. Aspect ratio, 16. Colon 9. V-Sync, off. Widescreen letterbox, off. Field of view, 90. DXR reflections, disabled. Graphic settings, texture quality, medium/low. Texture filtering, anisotropic 4x. LOD quality, high or very high. Shadow quality, medium. Shading quality, low. Reflection quality, low. Ambient occlusion, off. Lens effects, off. Zoom in depth of field, off. Anti-aliasing, off. 6. Close unnecessary apps. 7. Verify integrity of game files in Ubisoft Connect. Like this. 8. Change CPU. Priority for the above mentioned R6 extraction.exe, uncheck the CPU 0 only. Like this. 9. Update your game.
in Steam. 10. Change Rainbow Six Extractions game settings.ini file at present user profile %documents /my games /. 10.1 Set the FPS limit, 60 or below. 10.2. Set TAA sharpen factor, 0.375. 11. Disable in-game overlay and Windows game mode. 12. Delete all temp files. 13. Repair existing Visual C++ redistributable packages. 14. Check then improve your internet connection. Note, you may need to reset your router. 15. Uninstall and reinstall the game. Like this. 16. For Xbox users, 16.1 enable performance in graphics quality. 16.2 exit the game and restart your Xbox console. 16.3. Check for Rainbow Six extraction updates. 16.4 update. System software. 16.5 uninstall then reinstall Rainbow Six extraction. Like this. 16.6. Hard reset your console. 16.7. Switch internet connection. 17. Contact Rainbow Six extraction support.